Hello and welcome to this new video on how to add Arbitrum to Metamask. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open your Metamask interface, and when you have access to Metamask interface, you just have to look on the top left hand side of the screen. There will be drop down menu. So you just have to click on that and a pop-up box will appear. Now you just have to look at the bottom of the box and there will be add network. So you just have to click on add network, and when you're inside the add network section, you just need to look under networks and you will be able to see Arbitrum 1, and on the right hand side of the Arbitrum 1 text there will be add text. So you just have to click on the add text and a pop-up box will appear. Now you just have to click on that approve button, and if you want to switch to the Arbitrum 1, then you just need to click on switch to Arbitrum 1 and you will be able to add Arbitrum to Metamask. So this is how to easily add Arbitrum to Metamask. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.